Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching the videos from. I just really want to take a few time to show you guys one of this new trading strategy. I know most of you don't know about it, but I'm going to tell you a few things about this trading stuff. I do trade on OKX, I do trade on Binance, I do trade on so many platforms. So today tutorials, I'm going to show you how you are going to be earning $2,000 every week with the help of my QL trading robot. With the help of my QL trading bot, you'll be able to earn such amount. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you how this is gonna work. So first of all, how to earn $2K in 2 weeks with QL USDT trading bot. QL USDT trading bot is a very it's artificial bot. It's a trading bot which will enable you to trade using your OKX wallet to trade and get more USDT. So for you to get this bot, you're not going to see this bot anywhere. You're not going to see this bot. I bet you're not going to see this bot because the company that has this bot are not going to expose their bot to you. So instead of getting this bot, you can't see it anywhere. You just have to contact me and I will make provision for that, and you'll be given the bot. The bot is going to help you to trade. This is mostly for those who don't know how to trade, those who are always busy, they don't have time to trade, they are actually looking for a way to invest their money so the money can grow and they can get more money to start up a business. Those who are working, those who doesn't have any idea about how to trade. So with this bot, you will be able to trade and earn up to like $2K in 2 weeks. So my name is Mr. Legit. As you all know, it's been long. I dropped a video here due to some other things I've been doing to earn money online. So I just have to make this video because it's very important. The last video I made was earn unlimited USDT with TRX difi mining, and you can see I have a lot of views and a lot of comments, and people were actually commenting, people were actually asking me, and I have to help them out, and they were able to make more money. You can see this is how to earn unlimited USDT using SafePath DeFi mining intelligence pool. So this was a video which I posted 8 months ago, and I have a lot of views, I have a lot of comments, and people were commenting, people were thanking me for my good work, and so many things. So this is one of my video which I post, and people were actually commenting, and it really helps so many people to make money online. So I don't normally post videos always, but I just have to make some kind of research whenever I come across something reasonable, something which is gonna help the youth. So I will have to make a video on it and post it right here. As you can see, these are my comments. People are commenting. You can see people have been commenting. The amount of work you put into this recovery process is unbelievable. This is a true. And people have been commenting, man, I have worked with hundreds of folks, and you freaking nailed it. Not just your voice, but the things you do are 100% legit. You can see someone is commenting based on my video. Which I made, and they were able to buy the robot, buy the bot. They were able to follow my strategy. They were able to trade and make money. So that is exactly what I just have to do right now. I was able to discover another trading bot. This trading bot is very fast in boom. you can make actually $2,000 in less than 2 weeks. So without wasting much of your time, I will have to log into my account and show you the amount of USDT I've been able to earn through the use of this very bot. So without wasting your time, I will have to go to my OKS wallet. As you can see, this is my OKS wallet. This is my OKS wallet. I know this is my OKS wallet. This is the wallet you're gonna need, which I'm gonna show you how you can get the bots, how you can link up the bot with your OKLX and start earning. And definitely this OKS wallet is a very nice wallet which you can use, and I'm going to show you how you will be able to link your bot after you might have gotten your bot, your QL trading bot. So it's a very easy steps, and I bet you in less than 2 weeks you should be making nothing less than 1.5 or $2,000 in every week. So this is one of my earning, and as you can see, these are notification, and I keep receiving 30 USDT, 30 TRX. This is the work of the bot. This is the work of the bot. This is the work of the bot. I've been earning TRX. I receive. This is the work of the bot. The bot is going to earn you TRX, and you withdraw it and convert it to USDT. So this is the work of the bot. So without wasting much of your time, let me just show you how much I've been able to earn here. And this is it. Boom. This is my wallet over here. You can see I've been able to earn 2,000 USDT. I earn in Tron, I converted it to USDT, and this is it. So guys, this is what we have been doing, and I've been doing this for a long time. That is why I've not been able to post videos. I've not been able to post a video on my YouTube channel, but I'm very sure that you guys have seen this. You know that I've been putting a lot of work. I've been looking for so many ways on how to invest and how to make money. So if you really want to get this bot, you want to get more information about this and how you can go about this, then you can actually DM me. There's a link below the description of this video. You have to click on the link and join my Telegram page, which I'm gonna join my Telegram channel, which I'm gonna show you on how to do it. I know most of you will be asking me how much is the bot. Don't worry, once you join the Telegram, you chat me up and I'm gonna show you how this bot is gonna work. So as you can see, you guys have seen this is what has been going on, and you know that this is legit. So I wouldn't want you to miss this. I want you to take advantage of this. I hope to see you guys in my channel, and I will be really glad. I'm very happy to see most of my students making up to this $2,000 in 2 weeks. So I really appreciate you guys. But make sure, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you have to come over to Mr. Legit and hit the subscription button. This is my page, Mr. Legit, on YouTube. You can follow me on YouTube. Hit on Mr. Legit, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be getting notification whenever I make a new video on how to earn money online, on how to make money online. You'll be the first to see the video and implement the step below here. I've been able to take quick action. I hope to see you guys on my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your time.